Hello and thank you for tuning in to Saya Resam, your personal guide through the ever-expanding world of technology. In this episode, we'll put a hotly anticipated device through real-world tests to see if it lives up to its hype. Today we're going hands-on with the brand new Oppo Watch S. A smartwatch that focuses on something many modern wearables forget: comfort. Instead of chasing flashy features or bulky designs, Oppo decided to keep things slim, lightweight, and practical. And after wearing it for a few days straight, I can honestly say this might be one of the most comfortable smartwatches I've tested recently. Let's start with the unboxing. The packaging follows Oppo's clean, minimal style. You get a white box with a simple product image on the front. Inside, everything is neatly organized. The accessories are straightforward: just the user manual and a magnetic charging cable. Designed specifically for the watch. No extra fluff, just the essentials. Now let's talk about the design, because this is where the Watch S really stands out. The first thing you notice when you pick it up is how thin and light it feels. The watch measures only 0.35 inches thick and weighs around 1.2 ounces. That's incredibly light for a full-featured smartwatch. On the wrist, it almost disappears. There's no bulk, no pressure, and no annoying weight when you're working out or sleeping. If you're someone who wears a watch all day long, this makes a huge difference. My review unit comes with a woven nylon strap, and honestly, it's perfect for sports. It's soft, breathable, and doesn't trap sweat like silicone bands. During longer workouts or runs, it stays comfortable and cool. The frame is made from polished stainless steel, which gives the watch a premium look while keeping the overall weight low. It feels durable without feeling heavy. On the side, you'll find a physical rotating crown. It's tactile, smooth, and very precise. Scrolling through menus feels natural and responsive. And thankfully there's no overscrolling or accidental inputs. The rest of the body stays clean and minimal. Sensors, charging pins, the microphone, and speaker are all placed on the back to maintain the thin profile. Moving to the display, this is another highlight. The Oppo Watch S features a 1.46-inch AMOLED screen with a resolution of 464 by 464 pixels, delivering sharp details and vibrant colors at 317 ppi. Everything looks crisp, from text messages to workout stats. But what really surprised me is the brightness. It can reach up to 3000 nits. That's brighter than many smartphones and even some laptops. Under direct sunlight, the screen remains perfectly readable. Whether you're running outdoors or checking notifications during the day, visibility is never an issue. The 60 Hz refresh rate also makes animations and swipes feel smooth and fluid. Now let's get into the smart features. The Watch S packs a comprehensive health tracking system. You get an 8-channel heart rate sensor, a 16-channel SpO2 sensor for blood oxygen monitoring, and even a wrist temperature sensor. It tracks your health continuously throughout the day, giving you detailed insights into your body. There are also over 100 sports modes available. And it's not just the basics like running or cycling. You also get specialized modes for racket sports like badminton and pickleball. Beyond simple step counting, it tracks calories burned, energy levels, and deeper fitness metrics for more serious training. One feature I really like is the 60-second health check. It gives you a quick summary of your heart health, sleep quality, and overall physical condition. It's fast, simple, and surprisingly useful for daily monitoring. Thanks to multi-band GPS, location tracking is fast and accurate, which is great for outdoor activities. The watch runs on RTOS and connects to both Android and iOS through the OO Health app. The interface is clean and easy to use, though I did notice occasional connection bugs and limited third-party notification support. You can also take calls directly from the watch. The built-in speaker and mic are clear enough for indoor or quiet environments. Finally, battery life. Despite its thin body, it houses a 339 mAh battery that lasts up to 10 days with normal use. Even with frequent workouts and tracking enabled, You can still get around 6 to 7 days easily. And honestly, not having to charge every day is such a relief. So if you're looking for a stylish, ultralight smartwatch with excellent comfort, bright display, strong health tracking, and long battery life, the Oppo Watch S might be exactly what you need. Simple, lightweight, reliable, a true everyday fitness companion.